GIT workflow for Flutter apps. What is a GIT workflow for Flutter apps? A GIT workflow for Flutter apps is the structured process developers use to manage Flutter source code safely using GIT. It defines how features are developed, how bugs are fixed, how releases are prepared, how production apps are protected, why it matters for Flutter. Mobile apps affect real users. App Store releases are permanent. Bugs can break devices. Updates must be controlled. So workflow equals stability plus collaboration plus safe releases. Why Flutter apps need a proper GIT workflow? Flutter apps usually have UI code, business logic, API integration, state management, platform-specific configs. Without workflow, cross-mark broken builds, cross-mark accidental production bugs, cross-mark hard rollbacks, cross-mark merge conflicts, cross-mark lost features. With workflow, check mark stable releases, check mark organized development, check mark easier debugging, check mark safer updates, check mark better teamwork. Typical branch structure for Flutter apps. Common structure. Main means production-ready app. Develop means active development. Feature branches means new features. Release branches means App Store prep. Hotfix branches means urgent fixes. Example. Main. Develop. Feature. Login screen. Feature. Payment gateway. Release. Version 1.2.0. Hotfix. Crash on start. Why? Keeps Play Store, App Store code safe. Supports parallel feature work. Allows testing before publishing. Feature branch workflow. Flutter. For each new feature, create branch from develop. Implement UI and logic. Test locally. Commit changes. Push branch. Open pull request. Review code. Merge into develop. Why? Isolates UI changes. Prevents breaking main branch. Enables code review. Bad practice. Cross-mark build features directly on main. Cross-mark skip testing. Good practice. Check mark one feature per branch. Check mark one task per branch. Pull requests in Flutter projects. PRs are used to review UI logic. Check state management. Run automated builds. Validate formatting. Run widget tests. PR should include check mark feature description, check mark screenshots, UI changes, check mark linked task, check mark tested on emulator device. Why? UI bugs are visible to users. Prevents bad merges, documents changes, bad PR, cross mark no screenshots, cross mark untested UI, cross mark huge changes. Commit strategy for Flutter apps. Commits should be small, logical, descriptive, good commit messages. Add login screen UI. Fix crash on app startup. Refactor API service layer. Bad commit messages. Update. Done. Fix. Why? Easier rollback. Easier debugging. Cleaner history. Daily Flutter developer workflow. Typical day. Pull latest develop. Create feature branch. Write Flutter code. Run app. Commit changes. Push branch. Create PR. Review and merge. Why? Keeps branches updated. Reduces conflicts. Keeps features isolated. Hotfix workflow for Flutter apps. When production app crashes, create hotfix branch from main. Fix bug. Test thoroughly. Create PR. Merge into main. Merge into develop. Why? Quick fix for users. Keeps versions in sync. Prevents repeating bugs. Example. Hotfix, Android crash. Release strategy for Flutter apps. Flutter releases should be planned, tested, versioned. Good approach. Create release branch. Freeze features. Run car. Update version. Build APK, IPA. Tag version. Example. Release, version 2.0.0. Why? App Store safety. Easy rollback. Version tracking. Code review culture. Flutter. Review focuses on UI correctness, state management, performance, error handling, reusability, not personal opinions, blame, style wars. Why? Better UI quality, knowledge sharing, prevents crashes, CI/CD in Flutter workflow. Automation should build APK, IPA, run tests, run lint, check formatting on every PR, Flutter test, Flutter analyze, Flutter build. Why? Prevents broken builds, saves time, improves confidence. Tools, GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, Bitrise, CodeMagic. Common Flutter Git mistakes. No feature branches, no UI testing, direct commits to main, huge PRs, no version tags. Why? Hard to debug, risky releases, confusing history, naming conventions, branches, feature, login UI, feature, payment API, release, version 1.3.0, hotfix, crash fix, commits, add, fix, refactor, update. Example, fix Android navigation bug. Why? Easy to track, easy to audit, professional history. How Git workflow helps Flutter teams scale. As app grows, more features, more users, more risk, good workflow. Check mark keeps UI manageable. Check mark improves onboarding. Check mark reduces production bugs. Check mark controls complexity. Real-life analogy. Flutter Git workflow is like App Store security gate. Without control. Broken apps. With control. Safe updates. Branches equals testing lanes. PRs equals quality checks. Main equals live app. In simple words, Flutter Git workflow means build safely, test before release, review code, protect users. Best strategy for Flutter apps. Use check mark feature branches, check mark release branches, check mark mandatory PRs, check mark carbon monoiodide CD builds, check mark protected main branch. Avoid cross mark direct main commits, cross mark untested UI, cross mark no reviews. In Flutter apps, every update reaches users. A good Git workflow. Check mark protects App Store releases. Check mark improves team productivity. Check mark reduces crashes. Check mark builds trust with users.